Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and simple recipe, refried beans, that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare these amazing refried beans. These are the ingredients. I have 1 garlic clove, 1 jalapeño, half an onion, of course, peruano beans cooked already in one garlic, 1 bay leaf, and salt. And here I have 4 slices of bacon. This is everything we need to make these amazing and delicious refried beans. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the jalapeño. Of course, I'm taking the seeds and I'm taking the little vein out of the jalapeño. But if you don't like jalapeño or you don't like spicy food, let me tell you, you could add a green bell pepper, but the jalapeño really doesn't come out that hot. But I know that it really gives such an amazing flavor to your refried beans. You need to give it a try. You need to make it and you need to taste how delicious the combination of the jalapeno, the onion, and the garlic gives your refried beans such an amazing flavor. Well, here I have the half an onion. I'm gonna go ahead and chop it in little squares so that it really combines with the jalapeno and the garlic. Once you add these 2 ingredients, I am sure you are really going to get excited because these refried beans come out delicious every time and you could combine with so many different dishes. Well, here I have the garlic clove that I'm gonna dice really good, really small, so that it really releases all that amazing flavor. Okay, I have everything diced and now I want to continue with the bacon. I have 4 slices of bacon. 4 slices of bacon that I'm going to go ahead and just slice very thinly so that it really releases all the oils and really gets nice and crispy and delicious. My mouth is already watering, but let me tell you, once you make these amazing refried beans with bacon, you are really going to love them. Well, once you have your bacon just like that, diced in very small little pieces, then I am ready to show you that I am ready to go to the stove and start cooking and making these amazing refried beans. All the ingredients are ready to go. It really doesn't take too long to make this amazing refried beans. 10-15 minutes and they are ready. On the pan, I'm going to add the bacon first. Remember, when you cook your bacon, always cook your bacon in medium heat. Never cook your bacon with high heat because you really want to release and get the bacon nice and crispy and slowly get the lard out of the bacon so that it really infuses the beans when you add them in. Remember, once you start cooking your bacon, your kitchen is going to smell amazing. The flavor of the bacon, the aroma of the bacon is really going to invade your kitchen. So always cook your bacon in medium heat, never in high heat. You want to cook it slow, gradually getting nice and crispy, nice and brown. And when it's really nice and brown and crispy, then it is time to add the other ingredients, which is the chile jalapeño, the onion, and the garlic. But you decide how crispy you want your bacon. I really love the bacon to be nice and crispy. And I always try to add the garlic with the veggies so that the garlic doesn't burn. So once you start smelling the delicious aroma of the garlic and the onion, then you know that it is time to add your beans. Always cook and make these amazing refried beans in medium heat. Look at this. This is really releasing an amazing flavor. I wish you guys were here to smell how delicious the combination of the bacon and the ingredients are really giving this aroma. Just amazing. I added my beans. I'm going to incorporate really good. I'm gonna let them cook until it's bubbling right in the center. And when it starts bubbling right in the center, it is time to smash them. You decide how much you want to smash them, or just maybe just a little bit, but I really like them nice and smashed. That's why you call them refried beans. Look at this. They are bubbling right in the center, and now I am ready to start smashing them. You decide with what you smash them, but this really takes the longest time, smashing your beans, getting them nice and creamy and delicious, getting all those flavors into the beans. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to taste these amazing refried beans. You can see a little specks of the jalapeño, little bit specks of the bacon. And let me tell you, these refried beans come out amazing every time. There's no way to say I couldn't make these amazing beans. They come out really nice and creamy, really delicious. You could combine with any kind of dish you want to add to carne asada, you name it. Of course, I'm going to make some crispy tortilla chips, and I'm going to make it with flour tortillas. You could use corn tortillas, but I decided to use flour tortillas. In a nice hot pan, I'm going to add some oil, and then I'm going to add the little pieces of the flour tortillas. I'm going to get them nice and crispy so that I could enjoy these amazing refried beans. Remember, when you cook with love, everything comes out delicious and amazing. Once they are nice and crispy, have ready a plate with some napkins so that you could take the excessive oil out. And now I am ready for the presentation. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media. I want to say thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for always being part of Cooking with Gloria. I can't wait to enjoy. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of bacon right on the top, and I'm going to add a jalapeño. Don't forget, leave me a thumbs up. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing refried beans with bacon. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. With all that bacon right on the top. Excuse me. Delicious. I hope you give it a try. I hope you give it a try. And with a hibiscus lemonade that you already have on my channel, perfection made at home. It's nice and hot here in California, and why not refresh yourself with the homemade hibiscus lemonade. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay enjoying these amazing refried beans with bacon. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.